Hello guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this challenge is entitled The Hues of Autumn, and it is hosted by a YouTube sister, Tracey of Secondhand Tracey. Now in this collaboration, she asked us to use a container like a apothecary jar or something like that with feet on it or a foot on it, and include corn or beans, some kind of dried vegetable or bean or something like that. And also you had to use a tray, a touch of metallic. And then the tray has to be either copper, brass, or silver. So guys, also, please stop by and visit Tracey's channel. I will have a link to her channel listed down below in the description, as well as the playlist for this challenge. So guys, if you are interested in seeing what Stephanie came up with, stick around. Okay guys, this is what I came up with. Okay guys, this is what I came up with. I have this container here with a foot on it. Yes, I included corn and an orange candle for fall. It's called part of a vignette here on my fireplace with the other challenge from Secondhand Tracey. So anyway, the reason why I chose a copper tray is I'm a copper lover and I love copper. A majority of the things on this fireplace are copper. You can look up and you see my lanterns on both ends that never move. They're copper. So I love copper. I love the look of it. It makes everything stand out so beautifully. And with this mirror tray, it really makes it look gorgeous in this corner. So again, here is my hue of autumn. So guys, I hope you like my content. And if you do, you know what to do, guys. Give me a thumbs up and comment and share my videos. And also, guys, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button down below. And next to it, you see a bell. Click that bell. It's a notification bell. And that bell will let you know every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed here on the bottom of the screen, as well as down below in the description. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.